Hello, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time here, you're absolutely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always supporting me and coming back and watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Okay. So, yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. All right, guys. So today I'll be answering some questions that I've been asked by other YouTubers on this platform, especially YouTubers that are based in Nigeria or maybe in Africa and this part of the world. Yeah. So I posted this video up about 11 months ago where I talked to you guys about my whole journey on YouTube, and a lot of you that are subscribed to my channel right now subscribe because of that video, and you have asked me some questions under the comments on that video, and I've answered as much as I can. And some after over the years and months, I learned new things that will make life just a little bit easier for you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. I hope this video is super helpful to YouTubers and YouTubers that are about to start earning or looking to earn very soon, and they're looking for they have questions that they need somebody who has already passed through that to be able to answer it for them. I think I'm the best person for the job, so please keep on watching. So there are some questions that are similar to each other by different people. Basically, I think they have the same answer. So the first question that I'm looking at here, I have to write them out on my notepad because I don't have another phone to look at it. So the first one here says, please tell me how you opened a dollar account. The first thing I will tell you is that I have a whole video dedicated to that. I have a playlist on YouTube here. If you check amongst my videos, you will see a playlist that I titled YouTube tips. If you click on it, you'll find that video where I talked about how I opened my dollar account. It's not hard, I swear. I explained everything on that video. Definitely go and watch it. So the next question would be how to fill the tax info if you are in Nigeria, and how to get your TIN number. So I feel like this question in particular, I will leave it for towards the end of this video because it has a lot of info. I have a lot of information to share on that, and yeah. So the next one will be how long it takes, or how long does it take to get the Google Adsense pin. For me, it took me exactly 3 weeks, and I also have another video dedicated to that as well. It will also be on my playlist titled YouTube Tips. Check it out. You see, I explain everything how I got it, how YouTube, everything is on that video. Check it out, okay? All right. So the next question here is that it says, please, can someone in Nigeria be monetized? And there's another one that is related to that. How do you get access to the money? And there's another one related to that. How do you convert it to naira? Okay, so these three questions, they are pretty much saying the same thing. Number one, if you're in Nigeria, yes, your channel can be monetized if you follow through YouTube's guideline and you don't do something that would not make them monetize your channel. So it's very possible that you can make monies from the videos that you're uploading on YouTube if you meet the threshold. The next one there was that how do you get access to the money? To get access to the money is pretty easy. YouTube they always do a wire transfer. I don't know about other people. Maybe they get their money via check. But here in Nigeria, on all the times I've received payment from YouTube, it always comes via wire transfer. And that is because I provided an account for them to send the money, and there has not been any issue. Every time YouTube wants to send, or every month when it gets to that time where they usually do their regular payout, I always get my money via wire transfer. So it's very easy. The other one says, how do you get access to the money? You can simply walk into the bank and withdraw from your dollar account. Okay, they will pay you in dollars, except you provided a Nigerian account. So YouTube will definitely pay you the equivalent of what you have earned in your Nigerian currency, and you can go to your bank and withdraw it. It's as simple as that. There's no issue there. Your bank is not going to ask you any question as to why are you receiving money from abroad or whatever. It's simple, guys. It's not, there's nothing hard about it. Okay. I also got another question, if YouTube pays directly to your bank or via PayPal. I don't think PayPal actually works very well in Nigeria. I have a PayPal account, but I've never received any money via PayPal. It has always been through my bank or any other means. So yeah, I don't know if YouTube pays via PayPal. Under the options on your AdSense account or on my AdSense account, there's no option for PayPal. They just ask you to provide a bank details with which you want to collect your money. So maybe you can provide other means with which you want to be paid. So yeah. Got another question here. It says, explain the meaning of watch hours of time, please. In order for you not to be confused, yeah, if you're a YouTube a creator and you're wondering what is watch hours, because Naomi says, or not Naomi, YouTube says you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time so that before you can be considered for monetization. Basically, watch hours is like the total number of views you've gotten or you've gathered on your channel. So now, if you're finding difficult to know or to see if you've reached this threshold or not, just go to YouTube Studios. I think from YouTube Studios you'll be able to navigate your way to see if you are hitting the threshold or if you are even close to it at all. And I think there's also a portion where you can put in your email, so YouTube will notify you so that you don't have to be worked up about it and go and be checking it every day to see if you're a little bit closer, which is also a good thing to know whether you're closer to your goal, achieving your goal or not. But then sometimes I just feel like it's better to remove my mind from it and just focus on the good content I'm putting out for my audience. And there's a portion where I said you can put your email there, so YouTube will notify you immediately you hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public hours watch. I really hope that makes sense. So I got another question here. It says how to turn on monetization on your videos. Okay, this is pretty simple. It means that as soon as you are accepted into the YPP program, you can start running ads. YouTube will start running ads on your videos. That's if you let them. So you can go to YouTube, your YouTube analytics, YouTube studios, and then you can get to a portion where you see your videos. There's a small dash there. You can click on it and it will turn on monetization. You can even do that on your YouTube studio app on your phone without you going to the dashboard, YouTube dashboard to turn on the monetization. It's pretty easy. Okay, so I got another one here. Explain more about sharing the links of your videos. Okay, so for a as a creator, every time you put up a video, the first 1 hour and the first 24 hours are very important to that video. Those two things will determine whether the video will do well or not. You can start by copying the link of your videos and sharing it on all your social media platforms. That's what I do. It's pretty easy. So as soon as you upload the video, copy the link, post it on your WhatsApp, post it on your WhatsApp group, anywhere, share it with your friends, tell them to help share with other people. This is how you can draw traffic to your videos without you just waiting for the YouTube algorithm to do its thing. It will do its thing, but you have to put in some work. You have to put in a little bit of effort. So that's what I mean by sharing your videos. So the next question says, how do I make more videos to earn $100? Trust me, I don't know how to tell you this. There is not one particular thing that you can do or a particular video that you can do to make money. I don't know that. I don't know if other creators know, but I would say keep doing what you're doing. Okay, if you're already accepted into the partnership program and you're struggling to hit the your first $100, don't sweat it. It took me I think it took me almost a year plus to make my first $100, and I did not beat myself up about it. I was worried that I wasn't getting closer to the threshold, but there was nothing I could do. I just had to keep putting out content that I put out anyway. So you have to keep putting out content that your people like, and then God so willing, if they like you, they interact with the ads on the videos and they watch your videos from beginning to the end. I'm sure one way or the other, one video that does very well on your channel can, boost up the your income for that month. So yeah, because with YouTube, the income that we receive every month is not standard, it's not the same. It's not like last month you hit $100, so they pay you $100. Next month you hit, no, you can earn more in different months. And it doesn't mean that because $100 is the threshold, if you earn or more than that, YouTube is not going to pay you. There's nothing like that. YouTube will definitely pay you if you hit the threshold every single month. Money will always be credited to your account, except you put a hold on it, or except there is a tax problem, which is what I'm going to dive right into now. Okay, guys, I apologize for this change in the sound. The mic is low, so I'm charging it right now, but I hope you can hear me and hear me very clearly. Right. So, about a year ago or some months ago, YouTube came up with something called a tax form where they require every creators to fill this tax form, and the information you provide in this tax form would help YouTube make the decision whether they are supposed to tax your income or not. Okay, you want to sign into your Adsense account, then click on payment info, click manage settings, scroll to payment profile and click on edit. Next to the United States info, click on manage tax info, and I think you see the form right there. You just read it very well, ensure that you read and understand what you're feeling. And if you know you can't read and understand these things, you need a tax officer to explain some of the terms to you, then definitely go ahead and find one for yourself. But I didn't. I filled mine by myself. So let me tell you what will happen when you don't fill out this tax form. So for a creator who is already earning on the YouTube platform and you haven't filled out this tax form, it's very likely that your earnings will be withheld until you provide this information to YouTube before the 20th, or earnings for that month might roll over to the next month because they need this information. Okay, YouTube will usually pay its creators between the 21st of every month, and it will run through to the 26th of every month. So I usually get my credit alerts from YouTube, I think around the 22nd or the 23rd of every month, or that the month I the month I hit the threshold to earn. Okay, so yeah. Now let's move over to how much will you be taxed. Am I taxed? That's a question. Are Nigerians taxed by earning from YouTube? Yes, we are taxed, and the reason for that is because Nigeria doesn't have a tax treaty with the United States. Now, if you're asking me what is a tax treaty, I googled it because I didn't fully quite, like, I have an idea, but I didn't quite know what it is. So a tax treaty is a bilateral agreement that is made between two countries to resolve issues involving double taxation of passive and active income of each of their respective citizens. Residents of these two countries who have tax treaty can either receive a reduction in their income or receive a total exemption. I'm going to leave a link down below in my description box for you guys to see a list of countries who have tax treaty with the United States and countries who don't have tax treaty with the United States. Okay, for example, creators in the UK or Canada are eligible for a tax rate of 0%, meaning that creators in the UK or Canada who are on YouTube here can make money from YouTube, and YouTube will pay them their full money without being taxed, because these countries have a tax treaty with the United States. Okay, now there are some countries like Mexico and Korea. They also have a tax treaty, but I don't think it's there's a complete exemption for them. People in this part of, or in these countries, are creators on YouTube. They also they are taxed just a little bit. They are taxed 10% from their total earnings on YouTube. Okay, so a very important question I struggled with, like, how do I really earn? How do you know you are earning from YouTube? Or for each ad view on YouTube is between 0.01 cents to 0.03 cents. Okay, for one ad that is viewed on your video, YouTube pays you at least 1 cent or 3 cents, and on an average a YouTuber makes about $18 for every 1,000 ads view on your video. Okay, so YouTube did pay you at least $18 for a video that has 1,000 ads view. Okay, so if you have less than 1,000, you can do the maths. You know that you might not be able to earn up to $18 for one video. Okay, sometimes some videos that you post years ago can be doing much better than the video you posted yesterday. You can't exactly determine why these things are happening. Traffic can just suddenly be drawn or to one particular video that you didn't even think would do well. That's because maybe there are a bunch of people who are looking for that kind of information, and you happen to have a video under that topic, and before you know, that video starts to rack up some dollars for you, which is a good thing. Which is why I don't think any creator should be uploading videos and deleting them because you think they are not doing very well. I feel very sorry for you, because you don't know if that video tomorrow might be the one that will pay you your first $1,000 or first $1 million for YouTube. So whatever you put out, ensure that they are of great quality, they are very good, and they are going to help somebody. So if it's not good, don't put it out. But then if you already put it out on YouTube, my dear, just leave it there, leave it alone. Somebody somewhere might need it. Okay, so I think that's that's all. That's video. I hope I was able to touch on a few questions to, ease your mind and calm you down. And if you have further questions for me, please don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you or point you in the right direction if I cannot. And if you're a creator, you are not subscribed to the YouTube creators channel, I don't know what you're doing. There are so many information there that I might not even be able to share with you, but if you go and subscribe to their channel and watch all their videos that are relating to you, you gain so much information in your arsenal and you will not be confused about a lot of things. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, click on the bell beside the red button so that you always get a notification every time we upload a new video. Okay, bye. Mwah.